Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where we give you tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Today's topic is serious, but don't worry, we're going to make it fun and informative at the same time. The topic is high blood pressure and how drinking these 5 drinks can help you lower your blood pressure naturally. Before we dive into the drinks, let's talk about what blood pressure is and why it's important to keep it in check. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. When your blood pressure is high, it can damage your arteries, which can lead to serious health problems. It's essential to maintain a healthy blood pressure level. Now, let's get to the fun part, the drinks. The first drink on our list is green tea. Green tea is not only delicious, but it's also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help improve heart health. Studies have shown that drinking green tea can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Second on our list, hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a tangy and refreshing drink that has been shown to lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. The flavonoids and anthocyanins in hibiscus tea help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can help lower blood pressure. The third drink on our list, beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a great source of nitrates, which can help widen blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice can significantly lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. The fourth drink on our list is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is another delicious drink that can help lower blood pressure. The polyphenols in pomegranate juice help improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, which can help lower blood pressure over time. The fifth and final drink on our list, skim milk. Skim milk is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential nutrients for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that people who consume more dairy products have lower blood pressure levels than those who do not. So there you have it, folks. 5 drinks that can help lower your blood pressure naturally. Incorporate these drinks into your diet to help maintain a healthy blood pressure level. Remember, always consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for tuning in. Please let us know down in the comment section which drinks surprised you most, and let us know what type of videos you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notifications bell on for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.